Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. I'm here today with some printables by Decorate Your Life. And this one is titled Be My Valentine. So let's get into this. And it has 7 pages with 2 bonuses, I think. Okay, here's this one. I love the vibrancy. And I mean, I printed it twice, so, you know, that page. We have this page with the arch. I have to reprint this one because it cut part of the arch off. And we have the love letters and roses. We have the roses with they all have the musical background. Then you have the bouquets over here. I'll be doing projects with all the printables that I've shown. Got this one. I love this one with the tree right here. Okay, we got that one. Then we have this one with a bunch of roses, the love letter and the gift here. Then you have an envelope that I'm calling the love letter in the corner. And then you have this one that's all tiny little roses. You see some candy canes in here. That's all right. Then we have this one and this one. Then we have this one. Okay. This is her printable. There's 7 pages. And it is titled Be My Valentine. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so, please do subscribe by hitting that red subscribe button down below and subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be safe, be kind, be caring, be crafty, and remember, you're where everything is made with love in every stitch. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.